It's massive. That's hard. I've never seen that. Look at the interior. Those are carbon right there. What you creeping up on? You don't see that. I'm not a big fan. You guys see it. You guys see it. Welcome back to a Shutter Now. Got some fire for you guys. We're here at Mercedes-Benz Scottsdale. We got a little bit. Got a lot of heat. Little heat in the back. Hold up. Ooh, you guys see those emblems? Stay tuned. Watch the whole video. Don't skip. This is after the first Phoenix Mannheim visit. We got the matte gray. That guy's blind. That's black. Oh, that's great. That's black, bro. GT63. I like those. You want to tell us about your little drip you got going on? Yeah. So before we came here, shopped at Buffalo Exchange. Got us some heat. You know, Strutter not a dot online. You guys gotta go cop. They will be coming out soon. This isn't a finalized. This is kind of a rough draft, so you guys can see we did a little too much over here, and we wanted this to be black. But it's alright. We'll move on. Yeah, on the sleeve. Emblem. Yeah, all that will be black. Yeah. So those two will be black. So it'll be fire. I mean, the pants are gonna be Palm Angels. Okay. You know, brand new. Okay. Young. Oh damn. Oh yeah. Can't forget the Timberlands. Oh, you're outside, huh? outside. You know, we came prepared. Scottsdale. What you got on the hat? Oh yeah, with the Kenzo. The same Kenzo hat. Kenzo Lorenzo. Tell me about your fit, sir. All right. Is it a dad fit again? No, this is not a dad fit. This is too dripped out. I ain't gonna catch it. Okay. So right now, we got Dodger hat. Anyways, this is a Fear of God Essentials. Okay. Oh, I didn't even see that. Yeah, that's clean. It got it on the back too, that way you know. No. Oh, that's official. And then we got the Burberry shorts. The what? Burberry, buddy. Are those real? These are real official. They got tags? I don't know. I don't trust this guy. Oh my God, with the tag. All right, believe you. Yeah, you'll be able to buy these soon. I'm just gonna wear them. And then we got the French blues. You already know how to break them out. Special kits. Now hiring sales and service positions. I can be your boss. I don't think they got any heat outside, huh? I think they got heat. We might just have to. Alright, we're gonna bypass the Mercedes-Benz of Scottsdale just because they didn't got heat. And I mean, we're not gonna you guys, we'll just give you guys came here for. Oh. We're just gonna go straight into the meat and potatoes of the video. Oh yeah. Then we got people walking their dogs out. Like if it's normal to have a Lamborghini outside. It will be. As you guys can see, big diesel boy. Honestly. Look at that. So if you guys see it around town, take a pic, tag us in it. Making around 750, 707. They got a TRX. They got a Bentley. We got Bentleys in front of us. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys see it? Bentleys? That's on the noise. You guys see it. You guys see it. We see it. We see that too. Oh, and we. Oh, this is a Lamborghini Huracan interior. Spider. Huracan. LP610-4. Boys, we outside. Come on, with the black wheels. That interior is nasty. Black. Yeah, gross. Crazy. Yeah. I like the size too. I see why tall people are like, oh, I can't fit it. That's a cabin at first. Yeah, but it's true. Then we got the yellow Urus in there. That's the one organic. Shout out to organic. There's no yellow steering wheel though. We got the ooze alert on that one. Ooze alert! This Bentley hard. This Bentley. Look at them wheels. What are those? 23s? They're huge, right? I'm not tripping. Look at that bright caliber. Are they getting closer to the wheels? The blue color is so nasty. I hope the camera can pick it up. Hell no. Black accents on it. V8. They should have blacked that out, but I get why they did. We outside. We got another one of these that they got just sitting outside. We got the big Ram TRX over here, black. Big Ram boyed out. Ram. I didn't even know they put that. No, they don't. Oh, they got the Ram bar. It's official. It's officially a TRX. He's always saying shit that if it doesn't have the Ram bar, it's not a TRX, which yep. Is retarded. All TRXs come with the Ram bars. If your TRX doesn't have a Ram bar, it's not a TRX. But it does look good with the Ram bar. Right? Beefed out. Oh yeah, it's beef. Beef. Penske Racing Museum. They got race cars in there, bro. What is that they got right there? Hold up, dude. You're moving too fast. What? He's moving way too fast, people. Tell him to chill out. Oh, they got all types of race cars in there. Oh, this is dope as fuck. Because it's not that big. Look, SVR no. With the nice carbon pole. And over here we got an E63S. It is? Wagon? This is That's hard. Yeah, it is. You don't see that. I'm not a big fan of the wagons, to be honest, but just because they're Ram. Rolls Royce. Jesus. Look at those wheels, bro. The whole shebang. Bro, they got heat. Man, we got a wide body Urus over here. Stop it.
We got the Broncos outside.
The Broncos, they're dead.
Taxing them.
Dead. How much do you think they want? 94. Jesus. We out here for some real exclusiveness. What you creeping up on? Huh? This one right here. Oh my. Could be 3 or 4. I don't know. But this. 911. It's a 911. Carbon everything. Look at that. GT3. Carbon mirrors. GT3. Carbon roof. Oh, this is a real deal. Holy field, huh? Deal. This is brand specific. This one's got the, if you didn't know what it has a 4.0. 4.0. Imagine twin turbo in this. Just to get that nice sound. That's insane. Oh, with the manual transmission. Let me see that interior. With the manual transmission. Oh yeah, this one's genuine. He's geeking out like crazy right now. And of course we got the center lock wheel. We got another GT3. Carbon everything. Damn, this yellow one. This one got Porsche right here. Look at the interior. You guys see the back seats. Oh, those are carbon right there. Yeah. This one's manual as well. I think they made them. Only a manual? No. On mine. They made a manual. Because we need that dual clutch. Oh my god. So which one are you taking that? Alright, we just gotta move on and then we'll come back and look at all of it. Oh my goodness. 911 turbo, boy. Carbon. Oh yeah. Convertible top. I don't know if you're a fan. Are you a fan?
Not a big fan. I'll take that green one. That slime green.
What, the Boxster? I like the Boxster.
We got an SVR over here.
Shut the fuck up. Tell the guy to move on. So
yeah, I don't know if I want to go there. We got like, it's crazy the amount of cars they got parked outside that are just regular. I've never seen that. So we're going to take this.
This is Ferrari Scottsdale.
So we'll start here.
Scottsdale's outside. Let me tell you.
We'll start right here. We got
Let me know.
We got some
Mazzi, y'all seen it. Oh my god. Ferrari what? You don't know what it is?
This is an SF. No, I'm serious. I don't know what this is.
Is it? I don't know. I don't think so.
Is it an F8?
It's not a SF90. I know that for sure.
488
Spider. It's not a Spider. Well, it does have the hardtop, huh?
Yeah, that's what I do like about Ferrari, that they do the hardtop convertible versus the soft top.
Yeah. Shout out to Ferrari. Another. Nope.
Bro, is this a pizza? Because look at the front.
Ooh, we got like an air duct here for service.
And also the F8.
F8 Tribito. Ooh, y'all see the engine, babe. Look at that.
Ooh, this thing's pretty nice.
So it's right here on the side. We can't mess this one up. This is it. I have no idea what that's at.
The only reason I know is because on the dashboard they were screaming on it.
450.
458. And the other one.
These scream, huh?
No, I think the 480 is screaming.
Oh my
This
gosh.
is definitely a pista, for sure.
Pista?
Look at the front end.
Oh my gosh.
Look how exaggerated that is. That's beautiful.
Look at those. Look at the steering wheel. Look at the 488 Pista.
488 Pista.
Look at that steering wheel, bro. That's hard.
Oh my God,
That's hard. I've never seen that. Have you?
I've never seen a steering column be red.
I'm taking the whole steering column too, huh?
Yeah, that's insane.
What the? What the f are those rims? Bro. All carbon.
These wheels are good.
Crazy. These wheels are crazy, bro. What are you doing, guys?
Goodness.
You're sweating.
You went crazy.
Look at the back end of this, boy. This shit. What? This is hard.
So compare this Spider to the red one.
So this guy just has more options? This guy. Red looks different. It's different. The back of this, look at the diffuser. Why is this? It's massive.
This is one of my favorites.
I like this one and this one.
This is nice.
Yeah, the red accent. That's cool.
You see the interior?
With the white, custom steering wheel for sure. That's hard. I'll take maybe this one. Nah.
I'm taking this one.
With those rims on here, just because it's a Pista. But the back of it, I don't know. The way this guy has this one, shout out to that man.
He's doing it right.
Oh yeah.
That's
And we got so this is like with your little mods and shit, with the rims, and then this is like stuff. Because this one don't have the diffuser.
And then you look at one that's modded, like cosmetic wise, that shit looks crazy. And it's a spider.
Oh yeah, and that one's like, look at the front end. Well, it's because they changed the whole front end, huh? That one's look crazy. Bro, Raris, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Raris. 7, 8 Raris.
So these still, and we just saw a 488 model. Okay, these cars over here, wow. Yeah.